Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I wanted to talk a little bit about the power of incentives. The CEO of FedEx had a problem. It was taking a long time for the workers to move packages. Packages used to come in from point A. They had a hub in Minneapolis. It had to be loaded to another plane and shifted to point B. But this was taking a lot of time. So when the CEO got together with his managers and looked at how the workers were being paid, he realized that these guys were getting paid by the hour. So what workers used to do was they used to take their own sweet time to move packages from plane A to plane B. He told his managers, effective immediately, the workers are going to get paid by the shift. And if they moved, let's say, 100 packages in 5 hours instead of the 8 hours that they usually took, they could all go home. So let's say 1,000 packages came in from plane A to their hub in Minneapolis, and it usually took these workers 8 hours to load these 1,000 packages from plane A to plane B. If the workers could do the job in 5 hours, they could go home and relax for 3 hours, and they got paid for the 3 hours. So he changed the incentives for the workers. And what happened immediately was as though by magic, the workers started loading the pack. They had the job done in 5 hours. What usually took them 8 hours was done in 5 hours. So, what is the moral of this story? What is the moral of this corporate lesson? By changing the way the workers got paid. Remember, they were getting paid by the hour, and when they were getting paid by the hour, they used to just goof off and take a longer time to load the same number of packages. Once he changed the pay system from pay by the hour to pay by the shift, things change immediately. By changing the workers' incentives, FedEx got the job done faster. So a worker who took 8 hours or 9 hours or 10 hours to load the packages from plane A to plane B got the job done faster. Why? Because if he finished the job faster, he could go home and get paid for the entire 8-hour shift. So he got the job done in 5, went home to spend time with his family or do something else, but he got paid for the entire 8 hours. And that way the planes took off on time, the packages reached the consumers on time, and obviously this helped increase FedEx profits. So that is the power of incentives. That is the video for today on the Wisdom channel. Thank you for watching.